Alright, let's make a flared bowl. I'm going to have this little glass of here ready to go. It's just 9/5 tubing, and I've cut it on the diamond saw so that the ends are flat and smooth. I'm going to drop it into a little drill. See how much it wobbles. You find if you rearrange it a few times you can get it lined up pretty straight. Try to use a drill that's also fairly straight. Some of them have more crank than others. Oh, there we go. That looks really smooth. So, there we go. The tool I'm going to be using here is just a pair of vice grips with a tungsten rod that's pointed on one end. You don't really need it pointy, but I found places where I do like that. And a little sliding stop collar. You can get that at the hardware store. That's a little 1032 thumb screw on it, and it was already tapped for it, so you know, about 50 cents at the hardware store, and you got an adjustable lock tungsten rod. And I'll be using that to control, hold, and shape the glass. And that stop here is adjustable because I want it to be able to condense by gently pushing it in. And again, that's why we want a very smooth lip. If you just score and snap that and it leaves a little kind of a nail sticking up, as that rotates around, it can catch on your tool and it'll stop and spin it just enough to twist your piece out of control. So smooth here, and no little projections up. So I'm just going to put a lot of little flame in one spot right there. And the tungsten rod allows me to control it. It's just kind of spinning on it. So now I've got some mass built up. I'm just going to come over to the edge of the pad and push down. And this is going to create that perfect angle. And that's going to allow it to fit into a water pipe and seal up without even having a grommet. Now the rod down the center kept the hole size inside of there. And let's do a little polish here because there's a little bit of a haze. Okay, that's gone. And then we can go out to the end here and we'll begin flaring this portion out. A little bit of flare. A little bit more flare. And the last of the flaring. So that's the part that I do on the hand drill. Grab that off with a pair of tweezers because it generally gets kind of warm. I'll hold it in the tweezers. And let's see, grab a little bit of color here. Get the dust off of it. And this will be our handle. And there we go. One quick project. Little flared bowl. And you can see the angle there and the thickness of the glass. Just very important to make these things functional. They don't sell for a lot, you know, just a few dollars, but they sell consistently, and they're something that customers will ask for. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that quick one. Take care. Please like and subscribe.